If you missed Bitcoin's early rally, you might be wondering where the next big asymmetric bet will come from. And one small cap company might be positioning itself right at the center of what analysts are calling Wall Street's biggest macro shift since the gold standard ended. I'm talking about BitMine Immersion Technologies, ticker BMNR. They're taking a bold approach that's drawing comparison to MicroStrategy's Bitcoin play, but this time, it's all about Ethereum. Before we dive in, make sure you like and subscribe for more deep dive research videos from Bucks and beyond. Back in 1971, the US dollar went full synthetic, breaking away from gold and triggering a wave of financial innovation. Within 15 years, Wall Street exploded with new instruments, money market funds, futures, mortgage-backed securities, and even ETFs. According to research by Fundstrat, we're now entering the next transformation, where digital assets and blockchains are becoming the foundation of global finance. Ethereum could be playing the same role that gold once did, but unlike gold, Ethereum is programmable, yield-generating, and connected to AI and blockchain infrastructure that Wall Street itself is now adopting. BitMine Immersion's thesis is simple. Ethereum is the new financial operating system of the world. BMNR is building what they call Digital Asset Treasury, holding large amounts of Ethereum on its balance sheet, just like MicroStrategy did with Bitcoin back in 2020. But here's the key difference. Ethereum isn't static like Bitcoin or gold. Because it's proof of stake, BMNR can actually earn staking rewards on its holdings. That means their Ethereum position isn't just sitting there, it's generating yield, helping secure the network, and building long-term intrinsic value. In essence, BMNR is trying to become the MicroStrategy of Ethereum, but with an income component layered on top. Let's talk about results. Between June and late September 2025, BMNR stock jumped from $4.26 to over $42 per share, roughly 10x increase, while Ethereum only doubled in the same time frame. This mirrors MicroStrategy's pattern in 2020, when the stock massively outperformed Bitcoin after adopting crypto treasury model. Today, BMNR is already the second largest crypto treasury in the world, right behind MicroStrategy. And together, BMNR and MSTR make up over 80% of all digital asset treasuries trading volume. This is an incredible concentration of institutional interest just around two names. The timing of BMNR strategy isn't random. It's aligning with huge regulatory and institutional shift. First, there's the Genius Act, which lays out a federal framework for stablecoin issuance, a move that could finally legitimize digital payments and bring trillions of dollars in treasury-backed assets on the blockchain. Then there's the SEC's Project Crypto, launched in mid-2025. It's a full-scale initiative to move Wall Street's infrastructure on blockchain, introducing tokenized assets, smart contracts, and on-chain trading for institutions. Both of these initiatives point toward one thing: Ethereum becoming the default settlement layer for traditional finance. And if that happens, a company like BMNR, whose balance sheets are tied to Ethereum, could become prime beneficiaries of this shift. Ethereum isn't just about DeFi anymore. It's becoming the platform where AI and blockchains converge. Former Ethereum core developer Eric Connor said Ethereum's transparent and decentralized structure could become ethical foundation for artificial intelligence. And according to Fundstrat, Ethereum's fair value based on long-term Bitcoin ratio could range between $12,000 and $22,000 per Ethereum. If even part of that forecast materializes, BMNR's Ethereum-heavy balance sheet could experience exponential upside. BMNR isn't just about holding Ethereum and waiting. They plan to expand a Made in America validator network, helping secure the Ethereum blockchain while generating passive staking income. They also plan small venture-style investments, what they call BitMine moonshots, in projects that enhance Ethereum's value, like decentralized governance and culture integration such as art and digital identity. Their long-term goal is bold: to become a community participants controlling around 5% of the Ethereum network. That's not just a crypto play, that's a long-term infrastructure position. So, is BMNR the next MicroStrategy? It's possible. It's following the same roadmap, but this time on Ethereum instead of Bitcoin. However, it's important to be clear. BMNR is still a small cap, highly volatile stock, tightly linked to Ethereum's market cycle. If Ethereum pulls back, BMNR will almost certainly fall harder. If Ethereum continues to climb, especially as Wall Street moves on-chain, BMNR could become one of the highest leveraged vehicles to that trend. BMNR is betting big, not just on crypto, but on the financial future itself. If Ethereum becomes the settlement layer of global economy, BMNR Immersion could be one of the biggest beneficiaries of this macro shift. So what do you think? Is BMNR an overlooked gem or too risky to touch right now? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Bucks and Beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.